Hello everyone, welcome back to yet another video on Gunja classes. So I'm gonna start spoken English series where I'll be posting separate different videos related to spoken English. In today's video, we will focus on self-introduction in simpler words. Many of us find it challenging to introduce ourselves clearly. We often stumble upon words or struggle to express ourselves. But why to fear when we are here? We will provide you valuable guidance and tips. By the end of this video, you will confidently introduce yourselves using English words. So let's get started. Before we dive into the details, let's understand first why self-introduction is so important. Whether you are attending a job interview or participating in a group discussion or simply meeting new people, the way you introduce yourself always sets the impact. Am I right? Let's see how to create first impression. The key to create a good first impression lies in being confident. You should always start with confidence. Whenever you start your introduction, you should always show confidence on your face. Next is you should always avoid technical terms while introducing yourself. Your introduction should be very crisp and clear. Your audience should understand it very clearly. You should avoid using technical terms in your self-introduction. Let's move on to the next session where we will provide you guidance on self-introduction. Let's break it down into easy steps. Okay, so whenever you start your self-introduction, always begin your self-introduction with warm greetings. Always greet your audience. Whoever the audience is, you have to greet warmly to them. You can say, if it is morning, you can say good morning everyone, or good morning sir, good morning ma'am, whoever your audience is. Then you have to thank them. Whoever is giving you the opportunity to introduce yourself, you have to thank them. Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity. Thank you ma'am for giving me this opportunity. Then you should start your name. I'll give you the bonus tip at the end to introduce yourself, to introduce your name. So stay tuned. Your place, from where do you hail? Then about your schooling. Now if you are in college, you can describe about your schooling, from where you have completed your schooling. Then about your hobbies at the end. Hobbies should be at the end. And you have to thank them. Okay, so I have written over here a small crisp introduction. Let's see. Good morning everyone. First of all, thank you for giving me an opportunity to introduce myself. My name is your name. I am 16 years old. I am from Mumbai. Let me tell you about my schooling. I have completed my schooling from your school name and I am here to complete my junior college. And I am very excited to start my new journey here. My hobbies are reading books, listening music, and learning new things. I love playing football and also represented my school in many inter-school competitions. Yeah, that's all about me. Thank you. Okay, that was it. That was the short, crisp, clear self-introduction for college students who have just entered in the college. If someone asks you to introduce yourself, never hesitate. Just be confident and use simpler words to introduce yourself. And as I promised to give you the bonus tip, while introducing yourself, your name, whenever you say your name, never start myself. As I have seen, whenever I train students, I have asked them to introduce themselves. They have always said, many of them, not everyone, but yes, many of them start their introduction with myself. Myself, this. No, it is wrong. There is no such term in grammar. We always start our introduction by saying my name is, or you can say I am. Myself is wrong, grammatically wrong. So never use such word. Okay, thank you for watching our video and we hope you find it helpful. Stay tuned for more valuable tips and tricks to enhance your communication skills. Have a great day.